Manager 2. It is signed by Dua Ojata for Chief Executive Officer. It is copied to the Lord Mayor, KMC, Chairman, KMC Local Government Service Commission, Director of Finance, Director of Audit. A letter dated the 9th of May 2018 with reference KMC/ADM/064 addressed to Mr. Kausu Jaune, Acting Finance Manager 2, Finance Department, with the subject confirmation of appointment. It is signed by Uraba for Acting Chief Executive Officer. It is copied to Chairman, Interim Committee, Acting Director of Finance, Director of Internal Audit, IT Manager, and Acting Executive Secretary. The last letter is dated 8th of August 2011 with reference KMC/ADM/074 addressed to Kausu Jaune, Acting Accountant, Account Unit, with subject appointment as Acting Accountant. It is signed by Dua Ojata, Director of Admin. It is copied to the Lord Mayor, KMC, Chief Executive Officer, Chairperson, KMC Local Government Service Commission, Director of Finance, Internal Auditor. These documents are admitted in a bundle as exhibit in evidence, and they are marked as LGC/KJ in brackets 1/KMC/002.
As the Commission pleases. Mr. Jaune, kindly take us through your responsibilities as the Finance Manager too.
Okay, as stated in my statement, I'm the one responsible of providing revenue earning books for the collectors, both market and Lancet.
Okay.
Yes, then they do come and collect their revenue earning books.
Their what?
Their revenue earning books, like for example the market tickets.
Yes.
They pick it from me, then signed, then go with it to the
Who are the ones collecting these market tickets from you?
The market masters.
Were you having records of their collections that they've been making?
Oh, of course, yes.
How often do they do these collections?
It depends.
Okay.
No, because there are certain markets they are not that much big. A market like Serekunda is the big market. Normally, if they come and pick a ticket from me, it takes them almost.
Do you have recordings of these collections?
That's what in fact, I brought those records to investigators during my time with them. That's the CRBR.
Okay, you submitted the CRBR books to the investigators?
Yes, the investigators went through all those things.
Okay.
And yes.
Then you can note it down. From here, you can go back to the investigators and get the CRBRs that you submitted to them for the period 2018-19 and 2018 to 2023.
Can you spare me?
Kindly provide him with a paper and a pen.
Is it 2018, huh?
Yes, from 2018, you said you're still the finance manager to up to date. Then from 2018 to 2023.
2022, okay. Thank you.
So upon returning these GTR ticket books to you, what would you normally do?
No, you know, the items are there in two. Market tickets is different from GTR.
Yes, you've mentioned here that you've been providing them with the market tickets.
Market ticket, yes, I started with market.
Just market tickets?
Yes,
you are not issuing GTR?
Market also, there are some collectors in the market who I do issue them with GTR.
Yes.
Those are the collectors that deals with the canteen rent.
Yes.
Monthly collection. Those are the people who goes with the GTR.
Yes, but they will still collect these GTRs from you.
From me, then yes, they sign it. Then I give it to them. When it is finished, they take it to the audit. Then audit authenticated, then sign at the back, then return it to accounts. Then we issue them another one.
Accounts?
Yes.
And who's responsible of recording these recordings that the books are back with a certain kind of amount?
No, for that of GTR, for market, there is specific listing, how do you call it? The market tickets are we print it at the national printing, and they come in bundles. A bundle contains 10 booklets.
Okay.
Each booklet is, if collected, it's worth $1,000. So a bundle is $10,000, a bundle, 10 in it.
Yes, a bundle of 10.
Yes, so normally when I'm giving this thing to them, I give them in bundles.
Yes.
Serekunda market, for example, like I'll give them 5 or more than that. Then they sign, and then they come and pay. The moment you come and pay, I will offset it on the CRBR that you have paid, because that is, you go to the cashier first, deposit the money there.
Yes.
He will issue you a receipt,
Right.
indicating that you've deposited that money to him or her for onward submission to the bank.
Right.
Exactly. So the moment you submit that to the cashier, you come with your receipt to us.
Right.
We enter it in the CRBR, indicating that you have paid that amount of worth of ticket.
Right.
Then we issue with an order.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in short, they will take the receipt books, you will issue them with the ticket books and the GTRs to the ones that are using GTR.
Yes.
Upon using those, they will go to audit finance,
Yes.
accounts, and then bring back those books to you.
Mm-hmm.
Then you will enter it. Where will you do these recordings? In the CRBR?
In the CRBR, yes.
Yeah. Were you doing any postings?
Postings is done at the council level. For example,
Okay.
that of bucket.
Okay.
Market, we have special heads for their transactions. Market daily, market canteen, and market monthly.
Okay.
So each had a head where we charge all those things, where by the end of the period, when preparing a report, that's where you capture the amount collected on market daily, market canteen,
Yes.
and market monthly.
Market monthly.
Yes.
Perfect. So were you issuing tickets for the ballot?
No.
Who was the one responsible for the ballot tickets?
Ballot ticket is the accountant.
I beg your pardon?
Their accountant.
Okay. Oh, Jara. Now, on your second statement, there was an issue of a missing GTR. Could you tell us about this missing GTR and from which collector, from what period to what period?
Okay. For the first one, in respect of the one, there was a day my boss, acting.
Mr. Jane, kindly speak into the mic.
So there was a day in the director of finance, acting director of finance, came with a gentleman to my office.
What year was this?
In 2018, precise date I can't remember.
I understand. At the time, who was the acting?
Sirif Njai.
Okay.
And he said, he brought that man, he said he's going to be responsible of collecting data for him.
He's going to be responsible of what?
Collecting data
Okay.
for him.
Okay.
So in that case, he said he has no place for him at the moment, so he would like me to share my office with that man.
Which man?
That gentleman he came along with.
The who?
The gentleman he came along with to tell me that he's going to assign to collect data.
Do you know this gentleman?
I can't remember the full name, but I think his full name is Seka, Mr. Seka.
Does he work for council?
No, he's a new person. I don't know. They engage him just newly.
They engage you on what?
It's the director of finance who came with him to me, telling that he's been brought there to be our collect data listing. To collect
collecting data.
Yeah, exactly.
At your department.
Yes.
Okay.
So in that regard, he said, let me occupy my office with him.
Okay.
And he told me the man most likely is going to stay long, like after closing hours.
Okay.
So in that regard, I need to leave my key with him.
With who? With the man?
With that man.
Okay.
Yes. So staying with that one, I think within a week, I observed that one of my GTR book is missing.
Okay. And what did you do when you found out that you are one of the GTR books?
I wrote to the acting director of finance.
Okay. Do you have that letter with you?
That letter, I searched it everywhere, but I couldn't. But the letter is sent to them, and I copied the compliance director, Mr. Dembo Sane.
Okay.
Yes, for them to help me to trace out that GTR for me. That GTR, that missing GTR.
Missing GTR.
Yes.
Okay.
So the man, I don't trust him anyway, because.
But did you get to know his name eventually?
Mr. Seka, I call him Mr. Seka. For the first name, I've forgotten the first name.
And how long did he end up staying there?
No, when that thing happened, no, it's just a matter of, I think, 1 week.
Within a week?
Within a week.
The GTR book was missing?
Yes, when I observed my GTR was missing and reported the matter to my boss and copied the compliance director.
Okay.
He was removed from my office.
Okay.
And from that day, I don't know his whereabouts.
Okay, I believe there is, you have records office at council.
Is that what?
You have records office at council?
Record office.
Yes, that dispatch letters within.
But that's probably a possibility.
Okay,
yeah.
you can kindly note it down,
yes.
or maybe you can go to compliance department. We need to see the copy of that letter that you wrote to the former acting director of finance and the compliance director.
Yeah, noted.
Okay, now you can proceed. So you made that report?
Yes, so the follow-up has not been forthcoming.
From who?
From both my boss and the compliance officer.
Your boss, you mean Serif?
Yeah, I didn't have any feedback from them.
Okay, were you following up with them?
Yeah, I do, but I still no feedback since 2018 to now, almost 5 years now.
Aside from getting this man out of your office, are you aware of any other thing that was done with regards to the missing?
No, okay, after that, a gentleman, Yankuba Njai,
yes,
I issued him a GTR book to go for his routine collection. But he came to me one day and said that the GTR book is lost.
And what did you do?
I went and forwarded the matter to my boss.
Okay, and what happened?
My boss told me that he is aware of it and he will summon the boy to come and explain to him what expired between him and that man and the acting director of finance. I don't know. Later on, I confronted Mr. Njai. I said, look, how about the book? I'm still searching for it. He said, yes. He said, in fact, Mr. Njai told me to write a report and submit to him, which I did.
Who was to write a report? Mr. Yankuba Njai?
Mr. Yankuba Njai, that's what he told me. He said, Mr. Njai told me to write a report and submit to him. And he said he did that.
And you're not in copy of that report?
I'm not copied, no.
And you're not also aware of what was done with regards to his missing GTR?
No.
Do you know their relationship?
No, they are not related on biology, because Mr. Njai is from CRR, this man is from LRR.
No, I asked for the relationship because you made that report to Mr. Njai, the acting director of finance. Mm-hmm. And the least he could have done is to at least inform you of the outcome of his investigation with regards to Mr. Njai, as in Yankuba Njai.
Yes.
Because you made the report of the missing GTR.
Yes.
That's why I asked. Do you understand now?
No, they are reduced.
And you said you were not even aware of whatever transpired.
No.
Yes.
There are reasons with just staff could, but there is no, I doubt, any other relationship between them. I don't know.
Okay, that's
Then
fine.
the third person is Gabu Joko.
Yes, is it Gabu Joko?
Gabu Joko, yes. Gabu
Yes.
Joko also is
What happened on the issue of Mr. Gabu Joko?
Gabu is a market canteen or monthly collector. Just as I told you, those people are the one issued with GTR at the market. But
Yes.
those dealing with tickets, they are not issued with GTR.
Yes, but has he been collecting GTR from you?
He collect GTR from me and signed and went with it. But he too also said that he lost the GTR while coming from his residence to work. I went and informed my boss and he said, let me write to the manager for him, the manager, market manager.
The market manager.
So I write.
And did you write?
I wrote, yes. That copy, in fact, I submitted to your investigation team. I don't know whether, that's the one I was asking whether.
Do you have the original of the letter you wrote to the market manager, Mr.?
No, the original has to go to the market manager, or the copy.
I beg your pardon, the copy of the letter.
The copy, that's what I gave to the investigation to attach it to the missing GTR. But I can search for one for you if at all it's not seen.
Okay. I told you earlier that your second statement has an attachment. I will now give the registrar, please help, to give you this document. You can confirm to us if that was the document that you wrote, or sorry, if that was the letter you wrote to the markets manager on behalf of Serif Njai.
Exactly, yeah, that's it, yeah. And there's another supporting document as well on it. There's another supporting document on it from compliance office in regard to this same issue. That also is attached here.
That was the letter that you wrote on behalf of Sheriff Njai to
Exactly,
the markets
yes,
manager.
yes.
That's it.
Yes.
And the second one, what did you say it is?
The second one is the correspondent from compliance office.
With regards to what issue?
This loss is a GTR of Gabu.
Mr. Gabu's lost GTR.
Exactly.
So which means the letter was written to, in relation to Gabu's issue, a letter was written to both?
To the Director of Finance by compliance.
Okay.
And the Director of Finance minuted to me for advice, and I told him the market manager need to be written to for him to furnish us in regard to this issue, which we did. I wrote. He said, "Let me write that for him." I wrote, and I signed for him.
Okay, but you wrote on behalf of the.
For him, yes.
Okay, those are the two letters.
Exactly.
It is confirmed that those are the two letters that you gave the investigators.
Exactly, in regard to issue, in regard to Gabu.
Gabu.
Exactly.
Okay. Maybe please have the letters. Madam Chair, we apply to tender a letter written to the Deputy Director of Finance, the Markets Manager, on behalf of Mr. Sheriff Njai, the former Deputy Director of Finance. This letter was written by the witness, Mr. Kausu Jane, on behalf of the former Deputy. The letter is dated 6th May 2023, and the subject is Lost Gambian Treasury Receipt Books, GTR books. The second document is a memo, subject Lost of Gambian Treasury Books, and is signed by Mr. Dembo N. Sane. To the Director of Compliance, copied the CEO and the Lord Mayor into evidence as both documents into evidence as an exhibit.
A memo dated the 16th of May 2023, emanating from the Deputy Director of Finance and addressed to the Markets Manager with the subject lost Gambian Treasury Receipts GTR book. It is signed for Siris Njai. The second document is a letter dated the 31st of June 2023. It is from the Director, Compliance Department to the Chief Executive Officer, and it is copied to the Lord Mayor with the subject Lost Gambian Treasury Receipt GTR book. It is signed by Dembo S.N. Sane. These two documents are admitted together as an exhibit in evidence, and they are marked as LGC/KJ in brackets 1/KMC/003.
As the Commission pleases. Now, Mr. Jaune,
Yes.
vote on the issue of Mr. Yankuba Njai and Gabu Joko.
Yes.
Your boss, and for the second one, Gabu Joko, the CEO and the mayor were both aware of this issue.
Well, for that level, I think it's the Director of Finance who should furnish them that information.
I understand, but what was written was they were copied.
I copied only the one I wrote. I copied only the market manager that I wrote to.
Compliance response was copied.
Well, was copied, yes.
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 So nothing was done in both cases.
No.
Not your.
No, not to my knowledge.
So, what's your understanding of these collectors coming back to say the GTRs are missing? What could possibly be the case?
Well, I've been issuing GTR for quite a long time.
Understood.
Yes, exactly, quite a long time. It's only those two people who came to me telling me that they have lost their GTR book.
Okay.
Yes, so really, it's only these two people.
So what could possibly be the case?
Out of the lot. So if it's not a frequent incident anyway.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if they say it's missing, it's missing, what could be the possible case? That they used it and did not return and used the money, or what? What exactly could be the possible case?
That's why if foul game is to be played, that's why we normally notify. That's why we notify the compliance unit. They are the people responsible of investigating, following these collectors wherever they go, so that they can know what actually is going on. So that job is for the compliance department.
Department.
Exactly.
You also raised the issue of Mbalit ticket books in your...
Sorry, let me find out from Mr. Jaune.
Yes.
You said you notified compliance.
Pardon?
You said you notified compliance. Or for the loss of the receipt books, for them to take action.
Yes.
Now,
Because if you see that letter from the compliance office.
yes, you wrote to the compliance office.
No.
Can you read?
The compliance office captured the information even before me.
Sorry?
I said on that issue, that of Gabo,
Yes.
the compliance office captured the information. I don't know whether they've been informed by the acting director of finance. Because if you go through the correspondence, you see that the compliance director wrote to the acting director of finance. I think you've seen that.
Yes.
Huh? So the acting director of finance then minute it to me.
Well, what we have here
Yes.
is a memo from the deputy director of finance to the markets
Manager, yes, we decided to write to the...
No, listen, I am coming. This is from the deputy director of finance.
Exactly.
And how would the deputy director of finance write the memo when the report was given to you as manager 2, who is a finance manager 2?
The report was given to me by who? The report was given to the collector himself is the one who came to me that he lost his receipt, his GTR book.
Yes.
I informed my boss and...
Were you the finance manager 2 as at the time he reported
Exactly.
that he lost his book?
Yes.
So was the memo not supposed to emanate from you to the compliance department?
No, that letter didn't addressed to me. It was addressed to the...
It was addressed to you?
To director of finance.
No, let me give you the memo and you look at it. Because my understanding is that when the collector, Mr. Joko, lost his cash book, because there have been, from the records, collectors losing their cash books and no action is being taken.
Yes.
And no outcome is determined as to, you understand,
Exactly.
the existence or non-existence of this cash book.
Yes.
Because there are no investigations done to that effect
Exactly.
to ascertain whether these cash books are really lost or are kept by the collectors.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
You said this, Mr. Joko asked you, reported to you that he lost his cash book.
Exactly.
And this is for canteen collection, right?
Yes.
And what I'm saying is that the memo is from the director of finance and it is addressed to markets manager.
Yes. The director of finance authorized me to write on his behalf to markets manager.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. That's what I did. See where
so you are the one that signed on behalf of Sheriff Njai?
Exactly.
You are the one that signed for him?
For Sheriff Njai, yes.
But it's just your signature, so how would somebody, just picking up this document, wouldn't be in a position to know whether it is you that signed on behalf of Sheriff Njai?
Yes, of course he's aware. he's the one who authorized me to that.
So please read us this exhibit, LGC/KJ in brackets 1, KMC/KMC/003, whether this is an actual referral for the purpose of investigating or what is the instructions, to be clear.
The reference, lost...
Please read into the, speak on
Lost Gambia Treasury Receipt, that is GTR book. In reference to the above caption, please help us with the cash book of the concerned collector, Mr. Gabu Joko, for onward submission to compliance office for investigation. For the time being, please delegate someone else to cover the revenue collection pending the investigation of this lost GTR.
Is what?
This lost GTR. We told him to assign somebody to take up Gabu's position.
I heard you say cash book. Is the cash book same with the GTR?
Yeah, GTR numbers.
Sorry?
The collectors do have their cash book.
Yes.
Moment they collect, for example, they collect cash from
Was
you.
it the cash book that was lost? Because the
No,
earlier,
it's-
the
it's-
first statement you said,
Yes, it's
they should help them return the cash book.
exactly. What I'm
Is it
saying,
the cash book that was lost or the GTR that was lost?
for the investigators, the cash book will play an important role for them. That's why I let it submit it, so that we can take that to the compliance. I don't know whether you
Mr.
can.
Jaune, no, I don't understand. Because what we are talking about here is a lost GTR book
Yes.
for the collection of canteens.
The cash book contains the register of that GTR receipts. That is lost. So if at all, because he was using it, so for sure, some transaction has been entered in his cash book.
Yes.
So that cash book, if submitted to investigators, it will be helpful to them in searching for that particular GTR.
So it is the cash book that you requested.
I requested and informed you also about the lost GTR. The market manager was notified in regard to this lost GTR.
Well, I am completely at a loss because a lost GTR, the cash book is you entering the details of the revenue you have collected.
Exactly.
Right?
Yes.
It's totally different from the GTR receipt book you are issuing to the revenue to the person paying to you as
Yes.
a revenue collector.
Well, but for them it must be a misquoting mistake. But what
Yes,
I'm
because
trying to arrive at is for him to provide us the GTR, the cash book of this man, so that the GTR books receipt lost entered in that particular cash book.
That cannot be correct, Mr. Jaune, because you have the CRBR.
Yes.
It is you issue the receipt books
Yes.
to these collectors.
Yes.
So if you want to ascertain which of the books is lost,
Yes.
you have the CRBR to refer to, because
Yes.
that is where you have made entry
Yes.
of that cash book.
That's where I could.
The reference is there.
Yes.
The reference number is there.
Yes.
The cash book serial number is there.
Yes.
You understand? And the date he received it is there.
Yes.
So that is the appropriate place to look for.
Yes.
To ascertain, you understand, and confirm that yes, this is this cash book that is this GTR that is lost.
I accept my mistake then.
Yes.
Yeah, I
So
accept
that is it. It has nothing to do with the cash book.
I accept my mistake. It's wrongly written.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
It's misleading and it's wrong.
Yeah, it's wrong. Yeah, I accept my mistake.
Thank you. So, please, Council, you may proceed.
Thank you. That will be all from my end. Lead Counsel have questions for you with regards to your role and responsibilities.
Okay.
Yes, Lead Counsel, let me just ask him further. The second, from here we don't know whether it's a letter or it's a memo because it is said it is from the Director of Compliance Department to the Chief Executive Officer and it's copied to the Lord Mayor. What this letter is saying, can you please read this so that we understand what you're saying? Can you read the letter loudly, please?
Lost Gambia Revenue Receipt Book, GTR. Reference to a memo from Deputy Director of Finance, dated 22nd May 2023.
Can you turn back to that letter? Is it dated 22nd May?
Which one?
To the first letter.
The first letter?
Yes. What date is that?
16th.
So it is wrong.
Yes.
It is wrong.
Yes.
Okay, proceed.
Yes. In reference to memo from Deputy Director of Finance dated 22nd May 2023 and registered at records on the 31st May 2023, minuted the same date to my office. To my office the above caption, that is compliance office. However, I hereby write to disagree with his wish to issue the same person with another GTR book, since council is in her peak period. In view of the above, I recommend that another market collector to act on his behalf pending the completion of the investigation to ascertain whether it is realistic. In that respect, I kindly tell the collector concerned to submit his cash book to my office for verification without any delay.
So you will agree that what the Director of Compliance is responding to is different from the letter that has been stated?
Yes.
It's different.
But it was talking about the same GTR lost by Gabu.
But he's referring to a different letter in his.
That letter was written to him by the acting.
Where is that letter?
No, that's between him and the acting Director of Finance, not me.
You said what?
He said the acting Director of Finance. Let me read again.
Yeah.
In reference to memo from the Deputy Director of Finance.
Is that not the letter that you referred me to, which is on the 16th, not on the 20th?
That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
This is letter. He said that he was.
Is there any letter that is dated?
Exactly. He was
dated the 30th?
30th. 30th.
Is there any letter dated 30th?
From the Director of Compliance?
Yes.
Yes.
There's a letter. Please note it and you bring it for us.
That letter is with Director of Compliance and the Acting Director of Finance.
Yes, please note it down, and
yes.
We are requesting that you bring that.
I'll go to them and find out where they can help us.
Yes, thank you. Council, you may proceed.
Yes, just a few questions. For how long have you been the finance manager? 2?
Excuse me, please. Yes, Council.
For how long have you been finance manager 2?
2018 to date.
So let me ask, have you been providing, or do you have a finance manager 1?
Yes.
Who is the finance manager 1?
Is Bakari Diba.
Bakari Diba?
Yes.
For how long
Almost
have you worked with him?
almost 5 years now.
5 years?
Yes.
Have you been
2018 to
18?
yes.
You have been providing or preparing financial statements as well? Financial statements?
Who, me?
Yes, at the level of the finance manager's office.
No, it's financial manager 1 who is responsible for.
Manager 1?
Yes.
Was he preparing financial statements?
Pardon?
Do you know
Who?
where the finance manager 1 was preparing annual financial statements?
Yes.
So if you look at the manual, page 12, section 205, regarding the role of the finance manager, one of the requirements is that you must prepare a monthly summary of receipts and payments made every month. Do you know whether this is being prepared?
Yes, of course.
Monthly summary of receipts and payments.
The council prepared that, yes. The accounts, yes.
Who in the accounts?
The account office.
Who in the accounts office?
The finance manager and both of us down.
Both of you prepare this
Yes.
monthly analysis of the receipts and revenue?
Yes, we prepare just as I told you, the market collection data, report rather.
Yes.
Yes, because we have to furnish the management regard to the performance of this.
Every month you do this?
No, I think it's quarterly.
Quarterly?
Yes.
The law didn't say quarterly, it says every month.
Yeah.
Monthly summary of the
Exactly.
receipts and payments.
Yeah.
Why would it be done quarterly when it has to be done every month?
Yeah. It's normally this quarterly report that the finance manager engages himself with them, for the
How
management.
about bank reconciliations? Who prepares bank reconciliations?
Banks, the accountant and the accounts clerks.
And the accounts clerk?
Yes.
And what role do you have as finance managers to make sure that it's done? Because you have to oversee and supervise the accounts clerk.
I do the supervision. I do supervision to supervise the bank's qualities. The moment they prepare it, we time sign on it, confirm that the reports.
Have they been preparing bank reconciliations every month?
Monthly, yes.
Is that a yes?
Yes, monthly, but of recent, we transferred to a system.
No, from 2018.
For 20 years,
Have
yes.
you been
Yes, yes.
providing bank
Bank reconciliation statement.
every month?
Yes.
Would you be able to provide us with the bank reconciliation from 2018?
Okay. Okay.
And the summary of the receipts and payments for the month, you have said that you do it every 3 months, every 4 months?
Quarterly,
Every,
every 3
quarterly.
months. Yes.
So will you be able to provide us with the, since 2018, the quarterly financial report as well? Do you do it jointly with the finance manager one?
Pardon?
Do you perform this tax jointly with finance manager one?
At times, yes.
Right. And is the finance manager one still in council?
Yes.
What do you say his name is again?
Bakari Diba.
Bakari Diba. Right. Thank you. No further questions for this witness.
Mr. Jaune, you have just told the commission that you were finance manager 2 from 2018 to date.
Yes.
When did they give the instruction that revenues collected has to be paid to the receiving cashier through the market managers?
Well, that's how we arrange our cash.
No, I am asking because prior to the receiving cashier receiving the cash, the instruction was for collectors to pay at the bank. Was that not the case?
When was that?
I am asking you.
There was a time they direct the collectors to go and pay directly to the bank.
Yes.
But when it comes
What
to
period and what period was that? From what period to what
it
period?
was later part of 2018 and early 2019.
Okay.
Yes, all 2019. Yes.
So when did it stop?
It stopped for the side of the market collectors. We realized some bookkeeping problem in regard to have to capture their
Now, was the instruction written?
to
Was the instruction written to you people that you should stop paying to the bank and paying to the market managers for onward transmission to the receiving cashier?
yes, instruction was given to us by the Director of Finance,
Was it through a memo or was it oral?
verbal.
Verbal.
Yes.
Okay. Now tell us the period. You said 2018 to 2019.
2019, I could say 2019.
So from 2018 to 2019, the collectors were paying at the bank.
Some part of 2018 we were doing it, depositing money to the central cashier. Then eventually, Mr. Njai came with the idea of let the collectors go and deposit at the bank, which we were doing until the coming of the new Director of Finance. But the reason why
When when were you given the instructions by the Director of Finance to
The-
pay to the receiving cashier?
To go back to the receiving cashier to be paid.
Yes, yes.
It was 2019, later part,
2019.
yes.
Thank you.